What's up, everybody? This is Mike here. I'll be showing y'all some videos, sending a lot of pics to people. My process of doing this swap. Well, what I'm gonna do is take this pulley, factory stock single cam swap out, and we'll be putting a big boy swap in there. I can't tell you guys what kind of swap yet, but until everything gets here. Well, what I'm gonna do is take the swap out, get it ready for the new power plant, and yeah, step by step I'll try to show you guys everything. First, I'll be taking the axles out, draining the coolant, draining the transmission fluid, draining the oil, and let's get started. Alright, next I'm going to jack the car up, put it on jack stands, and start taking all this stuff out. This is completely factory, so I got a lot of stuff to remove, to take the motor out, but let's get started. Alright, I got the front on jack stands. Now I'm going to take the wheels off, take the axles out, like I said, then start draining. I'll go ahead and drain the fluid now. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and drain the radiator fluid, just to start that while I'm taking the wheels off and getting the axles prepared. So what I'll be doing on this side is taking the 17 nut off for the upper control arm, and taking the brake lines off of the spindle, and taking the fork off with the 14 on top, the 17 bolt on the bottom. I'm going to pull this back, hammer the axle out, pop the axle out of the transmission, and this side axle will be out. Okay, now that I got the suspension apart in the front, got the axle nuts loose, got the axles out of the hubs, now you go under the car with the pry bar, pop them out of the transmission, pull them out, easy. Now it's time to start taking all the accessories off and get this swap out. swap is out. There's the old shit sitting right there. D16Y8 automatic. Next step I'll do is clean up the engine bay a little bit and remove the stock mounts and get it ready for the new swap. And much other stuff to do with the shift linkage for the new swap. So stay tuned. Alright, there you have it. Swap is out. Sitting on the floor. Stock steel cam. What I'll do next is clean up the engine bay a little bit, remove the stock mounts, and get ready for the new power plant. I ordered the motor, the swap. The new swap will be here sometime next week. I got a couple of things to do inside the interior as far as the new shift linkage, and take off this stock exhaust, put a new exhaust on there, and really that's it. Just really gonna wait for the new engine to get here and go from there. But the old shit's out. Y'all stay tuned, man. This is gonna be a pretty cool little transformation for this customer. I think he's gonna really like it. So